Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to do a little unboxing, and the company I'm going to be bringing you guys is Green Organics. So today we're going to be talking about the personal care line. I just got a new pack in the mail, so I want you to unbox it with me. So right here we have our good old bath bombs, and I'm going to actually put on the screen exactly what these are good for while we're looking at it. I'm going to show you some of the packaging. Smell amazing. Here's another way to nourish and detox your skin. We have to realize it's not just what you put in the body, it's what you put on the body, because the skin goes directly to the blood. So right here, you've seen this before. We have another soap. And I'm going to show you guys what this is good for. And last, we're going to finish off with our essential oils. So I've already had a smell, but I want you guys to understand that essential oils are not just smell good to make your rooms smell amazing. They're actually medicinal. This is actually going to be half of my formulation for a cologne lotion setup. So I don't wear any colognes anymore, any toxic colognes. I'm going to be mixing up essential oils and finding what's the best smell for me. So I'm going to have a new formulation coming out. You can add this to your bath as well. Some essential oils we have you can ingest as well. You can ingest them, use them topically, and we even have stuff for kids as well. So right here we're gonna have sweet marjoram, if I'm pronouncing it right. We're gonna have myrrh. One of my favorite, primal. We have passion. We have one of our success oils, prosperity. We have one of our men's hormonal balances, sun. And rose gramium, if I'm pronouncing that right. And just like that, you have a lucrative business right in your hands. So I'm not here really to compete with any company out there, any health and wellness company. I'm kind of in my own lane. This is just something I'm passionate about. I like that our formulator has been in the business for a while, so it's not just someone trying to, chase a fad on what's popular. This company has been in business for years and years and years. I'm actually late. I got in last year. Kind of just took the product, set on the side. And if you're someone looking on how does this money thing work, well, when you have products that are in demand, people want them, people need them. This is $1 million business right here. Essential oils, oh my gosh, people are buying these by the second. But when you have something that people are already using, it works. All you have to do is put it in front of their faces and let them know why yours is different. And that's all it takes. We have a testimonial group for anyone wanting to see these things in action. Comment how, and I can add you to that group. And you'll see so many countless testimonials from all of our products, from essential oils all the way to our supplements and our other products. So this is an amazing side hustle. 2 compensation plans, 2 different sets of products under one company. It doesn't get any better than that. So if you're someone just trying to find a home in 2025, want support, want to learn some marketing skills, video editing, and other things, you're in the right spot. Wi-Fi-preneurs, and we have a few other leaders in our organizations with their own brand as well. Stay tuned, and most likely I'll have a link in the comments also if you want more information.